We're here at Amelia Island Cars and Coffee at the Concours 2019 with something like 25 really awesome Mercedes behind me. And if any of you have ever wanted to go to this event, it's free and it's fun, so we'll be here next year too, God willing. And if you guys stick with us now, we're going to go on an awesome adventure where we meet the owners of some of these cars.
There's my W14600 right there. Classic Mercedes were just built differently back in the day. You know, everything was, the headlamps are glass, the doors have real wood, the windows are double pane. There was an era where people didn't care about how much the car cost or what the materials that went into it. It was more like, here's the car, we're going to build it this way, and this is the price that we put on it. People bought it, who could afford it. Which no Mercedes after this generation made the same. This one actually is a 99. They only made 139 cars for the whole world by Mercedes for that year, and only 14 were brought to the US. And there are 2 out of the 14 on display here today, which I'm very proud that I own one of them.